Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key, and from there we're gonna choose power off. Now when the device turns off, you wanna hold power and volume down at the same time, and at the bottom of the screen in the left corner you should see fast boot mode in a second, at which point you can let go of the two keys. There we go. From here, using volume buttons, you want to select our recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and then confirm it with power button. In a second we will see Android with no command, so to get past this we will need to hold power key and press volume up once, which takes us to recovery mode. Now in here again we will use the volume keys to navigate up and down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which goes back to the previous page that we were on, and fast boot mode does the same thing. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off, and that's all the options we have right here. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and this will now, like I mentioned before, take me back to Android.
Hello, Moto.
And there we are. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.